When I zoom in, I can't see anything. Is that something though?
I'm seeing some lower clouds right there, yeah.
All right, we are east of K15 of 166, south of Dexter. Incoming storm that has a tornado warning on it. We've got nothing but dark skies. 317 on US 66, 29th Road, southeast of Dexter. Tornado warning to our southwest. When I zoom in, I can't see anything. Is that something though?
I'm seeing some lower clouds right there, yeah.
Yeah, you get rising cloud motion there. Do you see that?
Sky's turning green. Southwest of Dexter becomes our new tornado. We want everybody in Dexter to be safe. We're talking about 5 or 6 miles to the southwest of town, and that continues to move on to the northeast. Most of these are moving at about 30 or 35. So now Dexter falls into the tornado warning, and if we look a little farther east, it goes just east of Burden and areas west of Moline. Of course, that area of southwestern Elk County, you guys had some severe weather yesterday, kind of back in the thick of it again today. So our initial circulation has kind of been lost, if you will, kind of absorbed by the rest of the storm, and now it looks like our new area of concern is just to the southwest of Dexter. So let's kind of reorient ourselves and bring the radar back in a little bit closer. And there you see Grouse Creek Road, there's 232nd Road. Again, for some of us and most of us, maybe these are just numbers, but if you live in this area, you know exactly what areas we are talking about. Let's go back to Rodney Price. Rodney, what have you been able to see?
Well, Ross, I've got the camera pointed now off to our west-northwest. This is north of US 166, so we're looking in that general direction, which would be either south or southwest of Dexter. And we've seen some very rapid cloud motion with that. It's moving north and northeast. Given all the precipitation that we have, it's hard-pressed to say exactly what we've got in there. I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit more, so bear with me. We've been really seeing the radar returns really intensifying here. Let me zoom in a little bit more. We appreciate your patience there. That's what we're looking at there, and we've got a hill in the way, so I'm not sure exactly if that is something that is in contact with the ground, if it's anything that is rotating rapidly enough to do that, but we've seen a lot of very quick motion with that, and it's passing off to our northwest.
And Rodney,
so that bears some watching.
It says
yes, go ahead.
It sounds like we are getting a report of a small tornado south of Dexter, so that could be what you're looking at. Obviously, from your vantage point, might still be a little too far away, but I think you're looking right at the area of concern.
Yeah, it's very suspicious looking. Like I said, we've got so much rain that's in there, and unfortunately we're kind of on a lower spot here. We've got a hill in between us, so I'm not able to see if there's any kind of ground transformers lighting up or anything like that. But there is definitely something going on in there, Ross, for sure.
It's very strong rotation, Rodney.
Look at that.